time at JCC has been amazing. Studying here gave me hands-on experience that helped me grow in the fashion field.
I believe design is just not a part of future. Design is the future.
JCC was the stepping stone of my career, providing the best platform to achieve my dreams.
Being a fashion graduate from JCC Rohini, I believe human race is ever evolving, turning into a hybrid of their past and future. With access to new technologies and better guidance, I was able to achieve success in my fashion career.
From the staff and faculty members, everyone encouraged me and supported me in my journey. They helped me grab opportunities and succeed in my journey.
As the world is developing towards design thinking, JCC is also bound to build new opportunities and possibilities every time.
The head of department, the teachers, everyone guided and supported me, and I'm truly thankful. I am proud to be a JCC student, and I want to make my college proud too.
I got a balanced view what to expect during placement process and entrepreneurial journey with continued and focused support of my mentors. I am proud to be a part of JCC Rohini.